WTI. If you want your kids to have a ton of fun, you got to check this out. This is an inflatable punching bag, and this is by Boxer Point. They have done a great job, and this is super easy to put together. This 63-inch punching bag is perfect for kids, but it's also great for me since I'm tall and it's tall enough. It also does not deflate the next day. I love that once it's set, it stays set for us. I also appreciate that as long as you fill the top all the way with air and you make sure to fill it up, and you can do that because it comes with a hand pump, and you can also top it off with the attachment that it comes with so that it's filled, then there's no deflation. It actually comes right back to you as you punch it. There's no lag time in between punches, and the punching bag stays straight up. So all you have to do is follow the instructions. Plus the base is filled with water and there's no leakage at all. So you can cap it and screw on the lid and it's perfect. And we love leaving it inflated. I love that I can just move it around. It's mobile. I can put it in my son's room or take it in the living room. It's great to burn excess calories. I love that it's fun to hit. The PVC material was made very durable, so my kids have so much fun while using this. It's so fun, and you cannot get this thing to stay down. It is that fun. So definitely worth it if you want to get rid of some pent-up energy, especially for your kids. This is an awesome option. We love it, but that's just our point of view.